When your girlfriend is feeling down, it's natural to want to be the person who brings a smile back to her face. But cheering her up isn't just about quick fixes. It's about showing love, patience, and support in ways that truly matter. Every girl is different, and what lifts one person's spirits might not work for another. That's why the best approach is to be thoughtful, pay attention to her needs, and show her she's not alone. In this video, we'll share simple yet powerful ways you can comfort, encourage, and cheer up your girlfriend, helping her feel cared for and valued even on her toughest days. Let her know you're there for her. Spend time with her no matter how she's feeling. Whether she's stressed, upset, or angry, don't avoid her. Support her by staying by her side. Be gentle and patient with her. Sometimes a hug, a tender touch, or just sitting close can bring comfort, even if she doesn't feel like talking. When she's upset, she may be moody or easily irritated, so don't push her to cheer up. Just give her time, kindness, and steady support. Ask her how she's feeling and give her the chance to open up. She may just need to vent or share what's on her mind. If she does, listen patiently without trying to solve her problems. Just be understanding, supportive, and encouraging. Be an active listener. Don't rush to fix her problems. Just listen, reassure her, and let her know things will be all right. Build her up by reminding her of her strengths and the things you love about her. Encourage her when she feels insecure or stressed. And if she's grieving, comfort her with patience and kindness. Let her cry and simply be there for her. Go for a walk together. Fresh air, movement, and a change of scenery can ease stress and lift her mood. Walking side by side gives her space to open up if she wants, or simply enjoy a light distraction with you. Make her laugh to help ease the mood. Share lighthearted jokes you know she'll enjoy. And don't worry if they're silly. Sometimes the worst jokes get the best smiles. Just keep it unrelated to her struggles and focus on bringing her a little joy. Take her out dancing for a fun night together. Whether it's salsa, swing, or her favorite club, moving to the music can help her let go, forget her worries for a while, and simply enjoy being in the moment with you. Try something new together. Pick a hobby or skill you both enjoy, like cycling, gardening, or music, to distract her and bring fresh energy. Encourage her gently and support her as you learn side by side. Offer her a massage to help her relax. A gentle neck or back rub can ease away stress and tension, and adding some soft music can make it even more calming. This simple act of care can comfort her body and mind, giving her a break from whatever's on her mind. Take her to her favorite restaurant and let her enjoy the dishes she loves most. A favorite meal or dessert can be a simple but powerful way to lift her mood. Spend the evening with her, enjoying good food and giving her the chance to relax and feel comforted. Make her dinner. Surprise her with her favorite meal or cook together for a fun, comforting way to spend the evening. Take her to a puppy store and let her spend time cuddling and playing with the puppies. Their playful energy and affection can instantly brighten her mood and help her forget her worries for a while. Buy her a thoughtful gift that will mean something to her. It could be a piece of jewelry, clothing, or something connected to her interests. You can also take her shopping and spend time together while she chooses something she loves. Either way, it's a simple way to lift her spirits. Plan a special day together. Fill it with her favorite activities like a picnic, the beach, or exploring your town to give her a fun and refreshing break. Thanks for watching.